Are you tired of stressing about the holidays that's coming up? The time you're missing with your family, your children, because you must work, overworked, underpaid. Hi, I'm Marita, and I have the solution for you. The Blueprint online program can change your whole life. You only work 2 hours a day on your phone from home. You see your children every day, you spend time with them, and you better your financial future. Who doesn't want that? I did it. You can do it. I'm not tech savvy. And I took the chance. And I'm not looking back. And I'll gladly help you. I'll guide you step by step to better your financial future. Drop me a yes or send me an email. The address is at the bottom. And I'll gladly help you.